AI assistants are everywhere now, but if you're choosing between DeepSeek and ChatGPT, it really depends on how you use them. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI, is the most widely adopted AI assistant globally. With GPT-4 at its core, it handles everything from casual conversation to coding, summarizing, tutoring, and even creative writing. It's got a sleek interface, plugins like file uploads, image generation, and full web access, especially with the Pro plan. It's perfect for professionals, content creators, and everyday users who want a reliable AI across tasks. But the free version is limited to GPT 3.5, and the best features are locked behind a subscription. DeepSeek is a newer model from China, focused heavily on reasoning and code generation. It's open-weight, bilingual, and optimized for technical tasks like algorithm solving, logic-based QA, and programming help. Devs praise its lightweight architecture and solid performance on benchmarks like human eval. It's a strong contender in the open-source space, especially for those who value transparency and model control, but it lacks the ecosystem, UI polish, and versatility of ChatGPT. Reddit users say that DeepSeek punches above its weight for coding and problem solving, especially in math and logic. And ChatGPT still leads for fluid conversation, multimodal input, and day-to-day utility. So use ChatGPT if you want a powerful all-around AI with top-tier UX and tools. And try DeepSeek if you're a dev or researcher who wants a focused, open-source model tuned for logic and code.